lower capital. Index funds, again, are the best thing to go for. They have the lowest fees, give you the exposure to the stock market that you need without having to invest in a particular company, but you just sort of buy all of them with the index fund. So when you've got smaller capital, I really do not advise going out on any margin trading account or going out and buying the underlying stock, because the flat fee commissions in and out and the spread will just eat away at your capital and take huge percentages off the top just because your account size is smaller. So yes, it leads me to the point, index funds, the best way to go for beginners. They have the lowest fees ranging from 0.01% to 0.07%. And you can start with as little as $50 or British pounds, depending on where you are. So a very low barrier to entry for beginners and a great place to start if you're looking to get exposure to companies in the stock market.